Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to take you through my quick and easy 3 minutes morning skincare routine that is effective and keeps my skin healthy and glowy. If this sounds like what you're interested in, then you want to keep watching. First things first, I always start by cleansing my face to remove any sweat or oil that builds up overnight. Some of you might think we don't sweat overnight while we sleep, but guys, we do. Your skin actually releases oil that builds up on your skin overnight, so you need to take that off. And I love to always wash my face in the morning with like a very gentle cleanser. This one from Aveeno is super gentle. It cleanses the skin well and gets the job done every time. You can pretty much go in with any cleanser of your choice. Then next you just rinse that off and pat your skin to just take off the excess water off. Next up, you go in with your toner. You can pretty much use any hydrating or moisturizing toner of your choice, but in this video I'll be going in with the Coxir toner, and I love to apply my hydrating toner with my hands. Just pat the toner into my skin like this, and toner basically helps to like balance your skin pH. You can skip the toner if you don't have it. Make sure you allow each product to absorb into your skin before applying the next product. So next step, we'll go in with the serum. This part is very important if you want a healthy, bright skin, because this is where the treatment comes in. Your serums basically help to treat your skin, and in the mornings I love to go in with serums that contains vitamin C or niacinamide, you know, something that would help to fight free radicals from the environment and also brighten my skin as well. And this one I'm using is from Timeless. This is a really good serum to have in your routine. This is me jamming to my morning music while waiting for my product to absorb into my skin. So your moisturizer comes next, because this will help to lock in all of the products that you've applied on your skin. And I love one that is moisturizing, hydrating, and something that is really lightweight, not too heavy. And this one from Purito is absolutely amazing. It contains Panthenol, niacinamide, and some other really good ingredients to help to keep your skin moisturized. And last but not the least, I finish my routine up with a sunscreen. You guys know how I feel about sunscreen. Whenever I can get the opportunity to apply my sunscreen, I do. I know it's not easy, but I try my best to do it, because this is what is going to help you, protect you from those harmful UV rays that you have outside. So if you're doing your skincare routine, especially in the morning, and you're not using a sunscreen, sis, I'm gonna tell you, you're wasting your time. Because if you're trying to brighten your skin and you're not using a sunscreen, you won't see results. So I'm using this one from Suncut. It's a really nice sunscreen, blends into the skin pretty fast, and this is a really good sunscreen for my oily skin, even dry skin, normal skin. And that's it guys, my quick and easy morning skincare routine, and this always sets the tone for the rest of my day. It's pretty easy, really quick and straightforward. Now let me know in the comment section if this video was really helpful and what's your morning skincare routine like. I would love to see your comments. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're going to enjoy, so I'll see you guys in the next video.